How can anyone make money online in 2020 or beyond? How can anyone start an online business? And how others are making money online? Can I do it? If these are the questions that you are asking yourself in life, stay tuned because you're going to have your wow moment. Hi guys, it's Joyce Mitu here, and for anyone who is new to this video and to my channel, my name is Joyce Mitu and I make videos that help people on how to make money online. I also love to talk about network and affiliate marketing and give tips, as well as help anyone who is interested in creating a passive income lifestyle for themselves. So if you like such content, make sure to subscribe to my channel. This will not only help me grow, but will also help you in your endeavors towards a passive lifestyle where you can work from anywhere. In this video, I'm going to talk about how someone can make the best use of one of the core 4 successful online businesses to start and grow an online business. What to use to grow more successful and where to find them. So let's jump into those topics right away. There are actually 4 most successful online businesses, and they are affiliate marketing, digital products, coaching and consulting, live events. Even though affiliate marketing is the lowest of the 4 successful online businesses, it is the most profitable one and can be started by anyone regardless of tech skills or online marketing knowledge. I already did a video about affiliate marketing and how any beginner can earn money online with it. If you didn't watch it, I'll link the video above. And to be short, I'll give a brief description of the 4 successful online businesses. Well, affiliate marketing does not require you to build or produce a product or service. All you need to do is to promote other people's products or service through your affiliate link, and whenever someone buys from your link, you are paid a commission. Digital products are mostly education products or services in a digital format that you can view online. It can be in the form of ebooks or videos. These digital products are created with a team and ask for a lot of work. And coaching and consulting business is where anyone is an expert in a particular niche or sub-niche. They coach and teach other people by giving them one-on-one specific techniques and methods to solve their specific problems. This business is more of a one-to-one approach. And the next is live events, where people focusing or working on the same niche or thing meet and discuss strategies that can further help them in their online business. An example is funnel hacking live event that started on 29th of January till 1st of February. How does affiliate marketing beat them all? Well, you're not creating anything at all. All you're doing is divert traffic to that offer you're promoting, and you make money. That is, you get a commission when a sale is done. As an affiliate marketer, you can promote digital products, promote coaching and consulting services, as well as promote live events. The commissions become bigger when you promote high-end ticket products, and in this case, live events are services being the highest. There are also high-end tickets in digital products. So as an affiliate, what do you do and how should you do it? Let's start from the very beginning. You actually need people to sign up or buy the product or service you are promoting. And how should you do that? If you want a quick and a fast result, you will have to run ads or buy solo ads from qualified solo ads provider. This will cost you, but if you are a complete beginner and want to grow your sales from organic traffic first, that is free traffic, what I would suggest is to start a particular platform, on a particular platform for any product you're promoting. I would suggest to create contents related to them and show your audience that that product solves their problems. So build your contents consistently and provide value after value. Now, those contents can be through videos like this one, education videos, where you talk about what you know and how these products that you're promoting changed your life. It's true, results are important in order to get the attention as well as the retention of your audience. Because nowadays, there are a lot of self-proclaimed gurus. Well, I'm not a self-proclaimed guru, nor any guru of any sort. I am giving and putting into practice the values I learned from top marketers. And these are my results when I started taking action. I started 6 months ago. I was working as a mechanical engineer. I had to stop because I was living life paycheck to paycheck and I was fed up about that. I got to learn from a high-level platform surrounded by top marketers around the globe. Well, when you are starting, it's true you will not have the required results, but that doesn't mean you can't give value to the products or services you are promoting. If you have a look at my past videos, I did not have any sort of results, but created contents after contents that give value. So to conclude here, the number one thing you should do is to provide valuable content to your specific audience, and it can be on any platform you want. Next is how to get them to access the product or service you are promoting. Well, give them a call to action. If you're providing content in a blog, make use of good call to action words or buttons or plugins to direct your traffic what to do next. A good plugin I know and what my mentor uses is Thrive Leads. And if you're doing videos on YouTube, you must have noticed I usually say check out links in my description box below. This really helps guide your audience to know what to do next. Next is what do you do to the people who are interested in doing business, such as buying whatever you're promoting. Now, you would say it's pretty obvious. I'll just direct them to the sales funnel, and since I don't have to care about customer service, I'll let the owner of the product take care of it. Well, you are not 100% right, and you are not 0% wrong. The first thing you need to do to be able to succeed as an affiliate is to capture the information of your traffic. Now, how do you do that? It is through a mini website such as this. They are actually called funnels, but in this video I'll call them mini websites. And another example is this one. Now, whoever who is going to put their email addresses and name will get this free ebook as a gift. And this free ebook talks about affiliate marketing. Now, this mini website is called an opt-in page, squeeze page, capture page, landing page, and in this case, this is called a lead magnet page. After capturing their information, you can next present yourself in a video on a next mini web page, which is called a bridge page or a thank you page. What this bridge page does, it gives a more personalized touch with whoever proceeded there. An example is this one. When after giving the ebook to those people who opted in, I presented myself, thanked them, and proceeded them to another sales page of the product I was promoting. What this bridge page does, it gives a more personalized touch with whoever proceeded here. Okay, this allows an instant trust and relationship to be built in the first touch. Then you can direct those people to the original sales page created by the owner or seller of whatever you are promoting, such as in this case what I did, I directed people directly to the sales page after this bridge video. What do you do with the collected information? The information that is collected will be directly stored inside your email service provider, and your list that you associated with the opt-in page will be updated. And this is how any affiliate marketer builds his own list. Now, what do you do with the list? Like I said, the list can be built through paid advertisement or organically. The first thing you should do with your list is not to try and sell them or promote your products directly. If they don't know you, they will never buy the stuff you're promoting. So what you should do is to build a good relationship with them by giving them some values, and this will build on the trust. When they start to get to know you, they will automatically be interested in what you are actually promoting or what you're going to promote next. Yes, because there is a reason they got themselves in your list, and the reason is to do business with you. An email list is an asset that you own, and every time you are going to promote another related product or service, most of them will definitely buy. You're going to be making money every time you do that. This strategy is being used by all the successful marketers and is called email marketing. Email marketing, guys, is the backbone of any online business out there. Now, if we recap, you now know why to choose affiliate marketing as an online business. The answer is because you do not need to invent anything. Second, you now know how to build relationship and promote your products. And it is through an opt-in page, a bridge page, and email marketing. I will now tell you where you can get those assets to do all this. To promote products as an affiliate, you can either go to marketplaces such as ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, and Max Bounty. They are free to sign up, and you can get product that you can promote. Or you can simply get in touch with what is actually proven to work, meaning products that give you recurring income every month, and every time your referral buy from that platform, you get commissions. So there are actually two best platforms like this that I know. The second best is ClickFunnels, and the first one is my number one recommendation for starting for anyone who wants to start an online business, and you will find it in my description box below. Next is to create those mini websites that have your opt-in or bridge page. Actually, they are called funnels, like I said, and those funnels are obtained from a funnel provider software. The best funnel provider software is ClickFunnels, and they give you 14 days trial. This allows any marketer to make use of already available funnels. Yes, you don't have to reinvent the wheel with them unless you want to, but these funnels are already given to you for free, and what you need to do is to simply drag and drop anything, anywhere you'd like to be. I will actually do a video on how you can create and optimize an opt-in page in another video. Also, I have already linked a video I did about a challenge called the One Funnel Away Challenge. What it does, it gives you all what you really need to do to build a high converting funnel for your offer, and how you can close in any sales just with one funnel. And I will link the video in the description above. And the next thing and final asset is your email service provider, and that would be GetResponse. There are many email service providers out there, but this one is the cheapest with 30 days trial. What does it have that beats the rest? Well, with any email service provider who can send mails automatically on a daily basis, and we call that autoresponder, but autoresponders are old schools. Even though this software has autoresponders, but it gives you the ability to actually know how many of your subscribers have opened your mails and how many of them have actually clicked on the links inside your mails. Later, you can decide what to do with those who haven't opened your mails or clicked on your links. It's true that ClickFunnels too gives you this app facility, but it will cost you. After you're done trialing with ClickFunnels, you can choose your plan. That is the basic plan, which is $97 per month, while the one that gives you automated autoresponder like GetResponse is $297 per month. Now, GetResponse is actually $10 per month, so it is better to use the package of $97 in ClickFunnels together with GetResponse. And later on, if your business grows more successful, you can either choose to upgrade your ClickFunnels package and it becomes ClickFunnels Platinum, or simply continue to use what you were using. So hope you enjoyed this video, and if you want to learn more about any online business like the other top core for online biz, check out my #1 recommendation. This is where I started as a complete newbie with no knowledge of online marketing. I got my education with top marketers and they gave me the necessary coaching and took me by the hand and showed me how the things are done online and what it is needed to do to grow successful. So do smash the thumbs up button if you like this video, and do subscribe, as well as hit the notification bell if you want more videos like this, because it really does help provide more. Again, do check out my #1 recommendation if you want to grow an online business. See you in the next video. God bless you. Bye bye.